Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, It's Transform. So Winlator 9.0 is here, guys. So in this video we are quickly going to see the new update that has just been released. It was released 11 hours ago. So how are you going to install it? First of all, we have dropped so many videos about how to install this, but if you don't know how to install it, I'm quickly going to walk you through in this video. So let's see what is this. So this is the site. This is a GitHub page. So what is the latest thing that is being added? They added a new graphics driver, that is a Vertex, but it is still experimental. Added options to install components, that is to say box 64, turnips and DSVK. I know by now you see that this has been already implemented on the Frogs version before. So improve XA, ALSA plugin, improve Fox full screen options, useful for lower resolution games, updated box 64. Now we have a 0.3.2 version. Added a workaround for the following games: Ghost Songs and etc. Performance improvements on X servers and others. So what I'm going to do is, for the things we are going to do now, is for us to tap on this APK. We download it. So let's download it. So guys, if you have not been following my channel, if you are meeting this channel for the first time, so this is It's Transform. We are only keen here about emulators, so especially the PC emulators, guys. So if you have not been following my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and start following me. You can also share it to your loved ones. So let's wait for the downloads to be done. So it's almost done. It's almost done. So let's wait for it, guys. So guys, it's downloaded. So let's install it and see what is there. So this is the installation page. So let's see what it has for us. So I'm quickly going to test GTA 5 on these things as well, so that we know the performance. So let's install it. So it has been installed. So what we do is for us to allow that. So installing system files. So let's wait for that. So if you want any help, you can join my Telegram page. It's there in the description box. So people are there that are going to answer your questions, any questions, or maybe if you're having a lower end device, they will tell you it's going to run. They are going to tell you any encounter they have with it. So that is it, guys. So first of all, what are we going to do is for us to create our container. Let's create our container. First of all, let's go to settings. So this is it. Oh yes, our input bridge, our input. So I'm going to use my gamepad. Gamepad is set here. So this is, wow, this we have box 64, box 0.3.2. so I always leave my box 64 preset to intermediate. Yes, I always love that one. So let's install it. So let's create a container. So for my container, I'm going to name it as It's Transform. So that is it, guys. So from here, I can use any of my choice. Doesn't matter, anyone you pick, does not matter. Just pick any one of your choice. So your memory, I'm going to use 4 gig of RAM. So what is there again? There's so many things here. So from here we go to our Adreno. So this is it. So you can decide to use any one of your choice, but let's enable the synchronize every frame. It always helps, especially in games like PES 2017, PES 2013. So it always helps. So let's see here. It says frame is uncapped. Let's leave it as uncapped. Even this to be 0. Sorry. So device, let's leave it like that. So this is it, guys. We can also show FPS, but it doesn't matter. If we show, it doesn't matter. So here we come to the advanced. So this is it. Let's leave it like this, or if we like, we put it at Windows 10. Let's put it at Windows 10. So we are not going to enable all this. We just enable the 4 CPUs. So that is it, guys. So let's test it and see what is happening here. let's test it. Guys, I'll be happy if this can run so many things unlike before. So at least it has been long, we have been waiting for all these updates, but right now we have gotten something. So what I'm going to do is for me to install this VC Reddit. So this is it. Install it. So if you are having any difficulty configuring this, you can move to my Telegram page and see. So let's move to our PC games. I'm not going to share any games here, you know. It is piracy. So when you go to my Telegram page, there are people there who will guide you on how to install it. So there's no link for any games here. So let's toggle this to full screen and see what it has for us. Let's see. I always love this version that is not having any remix or modding or this. It's run purely our GTA 5. So let's see what it has for us. So let's see. So currently we are not able to make it on a full screen because we just started the game. You know, we just installed the game, so we will not be able to put it on a full screen until the game is loaded. So let's wait for it. Guys. So let's wait for it and see what is happening.